In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Adobe Express. Let's walk through a clean, reliable way to place page numbers so they stay consistent across your design. Start by opening the Adobe Express app on your computer. Once it loads, make sure you're signed in. Being logged in ensures your project autosaves and that you can easily switch between pages without losing work. On the home screen, you can either open an existing file under your stuff or start fresh. If you're creating something new, click Send, Start New Design, then click New Design to open a blank canvas. Don't worry about the exact size right now, we'll keep everything consistent in the next steps. To build a multi-page document, look to the lower right corner of the editor and click Add Page. When prompted, choose Same size so every page matches perfectly. Repeat this as needed until you have all the pages you plan to number. Consistent sizing is key for alignment and a professional look. Now, add the actual page number. On the left side of the editor, click Text, then click Add your text. A text box appears on your canvas. Type Page 1 and resize the text so it's readable but not distracting. Place it where you want your page numbers to live, commonly the bottom right or bottom center. Use the smart alignment guides to keep placement precise and consistent. With page 1 in place, copy that text box so you don't have to rebuild the style on every page. Go to page 2, paste the text, and update it to page 2. Continue this process for page 3, page 4, and so on. Keeping the text box in the exact same position on each page gives your document a polished, unified feel. If you need extra precision, zoom in and nudge the text with your arrow keys. Once you're done placing and fixing the numbers, you may want the number to stick to another element like a small shape or a footer bar. Hold Shift and click to select both the page number and that second element. With both selected, go to the top toolbar and click Group. Grouping keeps the items locked together so they move as one, preventing accidental misalignment later. Give each page a quick check to confirm the numbers are correct and evenly placed. And that's it! Your Adobe Express project now has clear, consistent page numbers ready for sharing or printing.